welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then girl, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so it's almost the most wonderful time of the year and I'm super duper excited to be decorating for Christmas. I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. So I recently had a yard sale and got rid of so much of my Christmas decor because I had a lot of it. Every year I always try to add to the collection and I had been collecting since 2011. So I just wanted to get rid of the stuff that I really wasn't using and just kind of add some new pieces. And this year my theme's going to be like white, kind of winter wonderland with mixed metals. So we'll have golds and silvers and rose golds and all of that. So I'm super duper excited about it. So yeah, I picked up some stuff from TJMAXX, Hobby Lobby, Home Depot, and then Big Lots. So hopefully this decor haul will get you in the Christmas spirit and kind of let you know some different places to pick up your stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. So we're gonna start off with Hobby Lobby. They were actually having 50% off of all of their Christmas decor, which is a really great deal. So I was able to pick up some new stuff and kind of add to my collection. The first thing I want to share with you guys are these ornaments. So every year I like to add new ornaments just so I can have something new on the tree. And these are white, but they kind of have like some burlap ribbon in them. And these were $14.99, but also 50% off. And then I also picked up these ornaments. So these are silver and then they have some detailing on them. These were actually $14.99 as well. So these are breakable. I actually prefer the shatterproof ones because I'm kind of clumsy whenever I'm putting them on there and I drop like 10 of them. And then now that we have Uriah, it's kind of, you know, it's probably easier for him to like knock one of these off and break them. But yeah, I thought these were really pretty, so I'll probably just add these to the higher part of the tree. I also picked up these really cute faux fur presents. I absolutely love these. So they have the burlap ribbon around them, and then on the top it has this little decorative piece that looks like it's been sprinkled with snow. And I thought these were so pretty, so I actually picked up 2 of these just to go up under the tree. And if they're still having the 50% off sale, I'll probably go pick up 2 more of these. And these were $34.99. So without the discount, then they would definitely be a little bit more on the pricey side. I always say like 40% and the 50% off at Hobby Lobby is what this stuff should be regular price because I feel like they kind of mark it up. I also picked up this beautiful wreath. I absolutely love this. I love all the sparkle, the glitz and the glam. That's definitely my style. So this wreath was $59.99 with 50% off of that. And what I like to do with these is sit them in the center of the table and then put a centerpiece in the middle of it. So like candles or a vase or something like that. And I just love the way that that looks. But this is really gorgeous. They only had one. I actually wanted 2. One to go in the dining room and then one for the little kitchen table in the nook. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and see if they have another one, but this is really pretty. I also picked up some placemats. I got 4 of these and they're just round and silver. You can literally use these anytime, any season. So these were actually $5.99. And then I got some other ones to go on the table in the dining room area. And these are actually like rectangle and they were a little bit more expensive. These were $9.99. So yeah. These can be used anytime because it's just white and silver, you know, it doesn't have snowflakes or anything, so that's why I got these. And then also from Hobby Lobby, I picked up these beautiful white poinsettias. Look how beautiful those are. I got a lot of these, so I pretty much just use these for any place that there might be a hole in a tree. And I love adding like these tree fillers because I feel like it just adds a little bit more to the tree, makes it look a little bit more expensive, you know, opposed to just having ornaments. So these were $4.99 and I got probably about 20 of these and I think they're gonna look really, really gorgeous. All right guys, so now we're gonna move on to Big Lots. So whenever I did my fall decor haul, I was telling you guys that some of their things were a little bit on the pricey side and I wasn't sure if they offered any discount codes or anything like that. Well, I found out that they have like a friends and family day sale where you can get 20% off. So I actually was able to shop for all of this stuff during that sale. So with the additional 20% off, I felt like the stuff was a little bit more on the reasonable side and they had a lot of different things to choose from. So the first things I decided to get were these cute Christmas trees. These are so adorable. I think I might add these to my beauty room because I feel like it goes really good with like the blush pink. But yeah, it's gold with a little bit of rose gold and these trees were actually $16 and I got 2 of them. And then I also picked up these cute reindeer. So this first one is gold with rose gold and then it also has like some little pearl accents and I thought this this was really cute. I'll probably end up adding this one to my beauty room as well. But this was $22, but I didn't feel like that was too bad because I feel like it's pretty good quality. And then the other reindeer that I got, this one's super cute. So it's actually white and it has fur detail around the neck. And then on top of it, it has gold and rose gold like sequins. And I just thought this was really pretty. And this one was $14. So I felt like these were pretty nicely priced, but yeah, they're really, really cute. And you guys, look at this beautiful centerpiece. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put it yet, but it was just too pretty to pass up. So this was actually $30, and I love all the different colors. The rose gold, the gold has some little pearls, and you guys know I love pearls. So yeah, I was really excited about this one. So you can add batteries to it, and the candles will actually light up, and I just thought that was really cute. Love, love, love this. And then also at Big Lots, I picked up some additional ornaments to add to the tree because I just really love for the tree to be full of ornaments. And these are the first ones I wanted to share with you guys. They're silver, and these are a pack of 4, and they were $4. And I love these because they're shatterproof. You don't have to worry about them breaking or anything like that. And then these actually feel really high quality. They feel really sturdy and duty, like don't feel like they're gonna break easily or anything. These are actually the shatterproof ones as well, and they were $6 for a pack of 4. But like I said, these are actually, you know, they feel a little bit more sturdy. They actually have different little pearls on there, which I thought was really cute. And this next set is a pack of 5, and they were $6, and they have different little rhinestones and jewels on there, so I thought that that would be really nice to add to the glitz and glam and stuff. And then these last ones are rose gold, and they have sequins on them, and this is a pack of 5, and these were $6. And then Big Lots also had a lot of these tree fillers, and I love to add these to my tree because they just really give the tree that wow factor. So I picked up about 10 of these. These were actually $1, which you definitely cannot beat that, and these just look really nice on the tree. And then I also picked up these gold ones. They were a little bit more expensive. They were $5, but they do have the balls on there. So I ended up getting about 5 of these. So now we're gonna move on to TJMAXX. Now I feel like they didn't really have a large selection of things to choose from, and I'm not sure if it's because I kind of shopped a little early and they really didn't have everything out. So the first thing I'm gonna share with you guys is this cute little Santa Claus, and I thought he would be perfect to go with my decor because he has on this little faux fur jacket with the silver details, and he was actually $19.99, so I definitely had to get him. And y'all know that I'm completely obsessed with candles, so of course I had to pick up some of them. I got 2 of them, and I mainly got these because they are really cute. I love the packaging, but they smell really nice as well. So it's vanilla chai. Smells so good, you guys, and I just thought the packaging screamed holiday, so I figured it would go good with my decor. And these were actually $9.99 a piece. And then also from TJMAXX, I picked up these cute little Christmas trees. They were $19.99 a piece, which I thought was a little bit more on the expensive side, but I thought that I would get them because they do light up, and I just love different Christmas decor pieces that light up because it really just sets the mood. So yeah, I got 2 of these, and then I ended up getting just a few things at Home Depot. We actually went there to get some lights to go on the tree. So we have a pre-lit tree, but one of the sections went out and we couldn't figure out how to fix it or how to get the lights back on. So I was like, just forget it. We'll just get a string of lights and string it around in that area and you'll never know. So yeah, while we were getting the lights, I looked around at their Christmas decor. They didn't have a whole lot to choose from, but I do have a small collection of nutcrackers, and they had these, so I decided to pick them up. I thought they were perfect because they're gold and silver, and these were $9.99 a piece. I also picked up some new stocking hangers. I got 4 of them, and I think these were $3.99 a piece. So I got the reindeer, and then I also got Santa Claus, and then a snowflake, and then also a snowman. So yeah, I got 4 of these. And that was pretty much everything that I got from there. All right guys, so that's everything for my Christmas decor haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a full decorate with me video because I tried that with my fall decor and it was a complete fail. So I might try again, but I'm not gonna promise you guys that it'll end up going up because those are just kind of difficult for me. But I do plan on doing a decorate my Christmas tree with me because I figured that would be kind of on the easy side, and I could just share with you guys the different ornaments and just kind kind of do it like a time lapse of me decorating. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, then of course be sure to let me know in the comment section below. And as always, I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.